Today we'll continue with our lessons on vectors, and today we are on position vectors. Now let O be a point fixed in space. Then O is called the origin or the reference point of a given coordinate system. Now let A be any other point in space. The displacement vector OA is called the position vector A relative to the origin O. That is, the position vector B relative to A is the directed line segment AB. Now let's represent this over here. Let's consider this diagram. Now this is the point O. So we have A and then B. Now let OA be the A and then OB will be. Now clearly we can have from the triangular law, we can have an arrow over here. Now from the triangular law, what do we know? We know that OA plus AB is equal to OB. That is OA plus AB is equal to what? OB. So if you are looking for AB is just OB, and then let's move to the other side, minus OA. Now what is OB? From the diagram, OB is the same as B, and then OA is the same as what? A. So this is RAB. Hence, if you want to find MN, now when it was AB, it was OB minus OA. So this becomes what? ON minus OM. And this is the same as N minus M. And if we have PQ, then this, it means this is the same as what? OQ minus OP. And this is the same as small q minus small p. That is very, very trivial. Now let's consider some examples for better understanding. Now let's consider this example. This is SSCE 1993, question number 7b. So they've given us the point A, B, and C, and then they want us to find BA and then BC in the form XY. Now, BA, from the definition of position vectors, this is the same as what? OA minus OB. Now, OA is the same as the point A, which is the same as what? -1, 5. And then OB is the same as the position B, which is the same as what? -1, 2. Now, when you are subtracting, let's see, this -1 minus 1. Negative would cancel negative, so that will be positive. So negative plus 1, -1 plus 1, that is 0. So we have 0, and then 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now the second one also is we want to find BC. Now BC, from definition of position vectors, that is OC minus OB. Now OC is the same as the point C, which is 3, 0. OB is the same as the point B, which is -1, 2. So in this case, we have a 3 minus 1, so it will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. And then 0 minus 2, that is -2. And this is very, very trivial. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's consider this example. This is 1999, question number 13b. But then this question is a question from the syllabus. Examiners expect us to use the syllabus. They will never set questions above the syllabus. This exact question it was lifted from the syllabus. Now let's see. So what is the sum of the following 5 vectors? Sum, that is addition. So we have 3OA plus 6BZ plus 2AO plus AB plus 5OB. Now we have OA here. By definition of position vectors, we can change this to BZ as what? OZ minus OB. And then this in terms of the OA, this is AO. So OA, that is negative of what? The AO. And then AB, that is OB minus OA. So here, this is 3OA, then 6. But then this is what? OZ minus OB plus. Now let's say this. You see, this is AO. But OA is the same as what? Negative AO. So here we have negative 2OA plus OB minus OA plus 5OB. Now simplifying, so we have 3OA plus 6OZ minus 6OB. Now this will give minus 2OA plus OB minus OA plus 5OB. Now let's group we have OA, and then we also have another OA here. So that is 3OA. Now minus 2OA minus OA. Now let's see, let's bring the B. So we have negative 6OB, and then we have plus OB here, and then we also have plus 5OB, and then the last one we have plus 6OZ. Now 3OA minus 2OA, that is OA, then minus OA, that will be what? 0. So this will cancel out that. This and this is negative 3OA plus 3OA, that will be 0. Now this 6OB plus OB, that's negative 5OB. Negative 5OB plus 5OB, that is 0. And then this is giving us what? 6OZ. So our final answer is 6OZ. That is very, very easy and interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a whole lot of videos that will help you pass your exams with ease. Now let's consider this example. This is NOVDEC 2015, question number 7. The position vectors of A, B, and C are negative I plus j, I plus 5j, and 3I minus j respectively. If ABC form a triangle, show whether or not triangle ABC is isosceles. So let's consider the triangle, which is leave this A, B, and then C. Now, so the position vectors of A, so clearly A is given as, that is negative I plus j, which is the same as negative 1, 1. Now, B, the B is I plus 5j, so 1, 5. And then the C is given as, that is 3, negative 1. So I want to show if the triangle is isosceles. Now, let's find AC. Now, AC is the same as what? OC minus OA, which is the same as C minus A. Now, what is C? C is 3, negative 1. Now, what is the point A? The point A is negative 1, 1. Now, here it becomes 3 minus 1. So negative, negative, that will be positive. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. So we have 4. And then negative 1 minus 1, that is negative 2. Now, we have to find the magnitude of AC. So magnitude of AC, that is square root of, we have 4 squared plus negative 2 squared. Now, what is 4 squared? That is 16. So this is the same as 16 plus 4. This is the same as square root of 20. From my idea of set, this is the same as 4 times 5, root of 4 times 5, and this will be the same as 2 root 5 units. So that is our AC. So now we can also find AB. Now AB is the same as what? OB minus OA. Now what is the point B? Point B is the same as 1, 5. Point A is the same as negative 1, 1. And 1 minus 1 minus 1, that will be plus, so that we have 2, 4, 2, 4. So from here, if you want the magnitude of AB, that is square root of, and this will be 2 square plus 4 square. And this is equal to, now 2 square is the same as 4 plus 4 square, that is 16, so that will be 4 plus 16, 20. So you have root of 20. And this is the same as 2 root 5 units. Now, the third side is also, that is BC. So let's find BC. Now, this is the same as C minus B. Now, what is the point C? Our point C is the same as 3, negative 1. 3, negative 1. And then what is the point B? 1, 5. Now, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, that will be 2 minus 6. So, BC, magnitude of it, that will be square root of, and this will give us 2 square plus negative 6 square. And this is the same as square root of, that is 4 plus 36. This is the same as square root of 40. And this 4 times 10, which is the same as 2 root 10 units. Now, the question says that we should show if this is an isosceles triangle. Now, for an isosceles triangle, two sides, the length of the two sides are equal. The length of the two sides are equal. Let's see if the length of the two sides are equal. Yes. Now, AC is the same as what? AB. So clearly, AC is the same as the length of what? AB. And this is the same as 2 root 5 units. Hence, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles. That is very, very easy. I believe you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of videos to help you pass your exams with ease.